Hi everyone, in front of me I've got INFINIX Note 30 VIP, and let me share with you how to turn off ads and their personalization. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here let's start from the top and go to More Connections. Here let's go to Private DNS, mark Private DNS provider hostname, and here enter dns.adguard.com and tap on save. Thanks to it, your device will simply limit the number of advertisements. Another thing that you can do in the settings is to scroll all the way down to find Google. Here let's tap on all services, scroll down and go to ads. So here we've got something which is called advertising ID, and basically this feature works like it's tracking your searching. So for example, I was searching for a lamp to my living room, and after that the device will show me advertisements with the same lamp or different variations of the same lamp or different prices, etc. So this is how it works. So you can simply reset advertising ID here to kind of remove the personalization, tap on confirm, and then delete advertising ID and tap on delete. And that action will not necessarily limit or reduce the number of advertisements. However, for sure, it will limit the personalization, which is also great. Another thing that you can do is to get rid of the advertisements that appear right here in our notification center, because nowadays some apps will show us the notifications, the ads in the notifications here. So for example, let's pretend for the purpose of this video that I'm receiving a lot of notifications from Play Store. So just tap on it and hold it and tap on App Info. Here go to notifications, and unfortunately here in this device we do not really have the categories of the notifications, so highly recommend to simply turn off all of the notifications, especially in the situation if you don't really need them. If it is not an essential app, then highly recommend to just tap on allow notifications. And as a last resort, I also highly recommend to check the ad blocks, because usually we forget about them. So go to the Play Store. Here tap on search and enter anything like ad blocker. Whoa, what happened here? Ad blocker, whatever you want to, something like that, and just check available options, because here we've got different tools that they will not only block the browsers, I mean the advertisements in browsers, but also the whole content, for example, like here. Alright, so and that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.